There are now 53 confirmed cases of coronavirus in the United States. That's 18 additional patients since Friday. The new cases are all from the Diamond Princess cruise ship.
Health reporter Stephanie Stahl is here with the very latest on the virus.
Lots going on with this guy. Sick passengers from that cruise ship are in quarantine in the United States, and there is some controversy about where they will be housed. And overseas, the virus is spreading quickly now in South Korea and Italy. There are roadblocks in 10 towns in the northern Italian region of Lombardy, where streets are deserted. 219 people have tested positive for the coronavirus in Italy, and 5 have died. It's the highest number of cases outside Asia and underscores the limits of Italy's prevention protocols, which are the most stringent in Europe.
The sudden increase in new cases is certainly very concerning.
In South Korea, where there are 833 cases, Parliament shut down for disinfection work after it was revealed a patient infected with the new virus had visited the building. In Daegu, South Korea, the country's 4th biggest, coronavirus cases have quadrupled in 3 days. The streets here are empty.
Can I take everybody's temperature?
And temperatures are being checked at the U.S. military base in South Korea, home to 2,500 servicemen and women.
I'm nervous, but I feel confident too. We're all nervous about it.
Meanwhile, in the U.S., people are protesting against plans to quarantine patients in California and Alabama from the virus-stricken Diamond Princess cruise ship anchored in Japan. The Trump administration backed off plans for Alabama, but is confident in the country's response to a potential outbreak.
We have the greatest doctors in the world. We have it very much under control.
And the Trump administration is reportedly now moving to secure emergency coronavirus funds. Health officials continue to emphasize the virus is not spreading randomly in the United States. It is still mainly linked to people who are in China or on that cruise ship. This virus having a big impact. How about what it did to the stock market?
How about you?
Crazy.
Yeah, so
Sure
it's having
did.
an impact for sure.
Stephanie, thank you.